So the social event we had at Three Kings Cafe was very exciting. It was good to meet a lot of people that I had not met individually and getting to know about them.
Hi. Let me share my experience in the Three Kings Cafe, which we went on the 7th of April 2015, and it was a great experience because we really met with people of different walks of life and had a digital marketing session by Suresh, and it was good meeting different people and sharing experience, and it was just really making a real-time human and as you are apart from being in presence in digital world.
Okay, the event was very good. It was a fun thing. I got to interact with many people. I came to know much more about Suresh, and it seems that these things are really gonna make us more social. I interacted with many people there. It was good.
Hi, we went to the King's Cafe on Monday, but I enjoyed it a lot, and then I interacted so many people with my friends, and then I got so much of information about Suresh, and then I liked the event much more, and then I learned new things in social media, and then I enjoyed it a lot. Thank you.
Okay, basically it was an amazing experience, and it was moreover a surprise because we were not told beforehand that we were being taken there. And then food was like awesome, leave that apart. The ambience was very good, and socializing, I mean, we were not made to sit together. I mean, together as in with our friends. We were told, or in fact, yeah, we were supposed to interact with different people. So that was a very good experience. I didn't know this girl who was of the same background like I had. And then I think it was a very good experience. I mean, amazing.
Hey, hi, I'm Vignesh, and I'm from WMA. Yesterday we had a very good session in Three Kings Cafe. So it was my first team outing, team lunch outing with all my batchmates as well as from different batchmates. So we had a session with different batchmates with everyone from different location, and I got to know about people's their careers and their growth, and as well as I got to know about their work culture and everything. So I came to know what is really important about social media and also like socializing with people. So that was really a helpful movement for me and for my growth as well. Thank you.
Hi, this is Manjunath. I'm here to talk about our great lunch that we had day before yesterday at King's Cafe and Kitchen, Marathali. First of all, I want to thank the entire WMA team, Suresh, Aditya, Kaushal, Mansi, and everybody who participated in the lunch. It was awesome. I think the objective for the lunch was to ensure that we all socialized. We all knew each other by the faces, but did not really converse. So this was a great breaking of the ice kind of experience. So it was fun. First of all, I'd like to say that the kind of food that we had there was just awesome. So given a choice, I'd take my friends and family to King's Cafe and Kitchen. It was just delicious. The variety was amazing. So overall, great experience. But more than that, I think the experience, right from our journey from WMA in a car with Suresh and to the restaurant, and then having food there while having chit chat with our fellow WMAites was pretty interesting. We got to see some of the amazing things that people have experienced in their lives. And I think we wouldn't have had the opportunity to learn that had we not been out for this lunch. So it was a great socializing experience. Nice to have fun and have some delicious food in the process is definitely a bonus. So thank you WMA for arranging this beautiful lunch for us, and we hope you arrange more of such lunches and dinners. Thank you.
Okay, the last 2 days at King's Cafe and Web Marketing Academy, I've enjoyed a lot with a lot of food and friends. We interacted with each other and enjoyed each other's company. We came to know a lot of people are from different backgrounds and different cities here. It was really good to interact with them and to know more about them.
Day before yesterday, me and my friend and my classmate went to the King's Cafe, which is located in Marthali. Before going there, I was so excited to see something, and I want to share something, some experience which I got from the King's Cafe. So the King's Cafe is so big restaurant which is located in Marthali. I ate when I and my classmate and also my friend and other classmate went to the King's Cafe with Suresh, Aditya and Kaushal, who is a trainer in WM Academy. And after reaching there, I see one thing that Suresh and Somesh did wonderful lecture on the social media event, which I like at that time. And also I had some different types of food like biryani and that they all. I like it, and I also like the personality and the personality of the owner of that restaurant, like Rajanathan Paul. I like this person, and I'm so excited to working on this project, which we are going to do it now, Three Kings Cafe.
It was an amazing experience to visit the Three Kings Cafe on Thursday. I met a girl who was from my similar background of microbiology, so it was a time like I knew some people from the same background were coming and doing the same course, so I felt very happy regarding that.
Hi, this is Shakti. Well, my experience in Three Kings Cafe was awesome. I had a good atmosphere there. Food, especially food, non-veg foods were really awesome. Biryani I liked most. And Mr. Paul, who was running that restaurant, he was more friendly to all of us, and his service was awesome there. And who are working there, they were just more friendly to us. It's a nice place to have fun. If you go with your friends, it's awesome.
Hi everyone, I'm Avik Chatterjee. The experience in Three Kings Cafe the other day was excellent. We met up with our fellow mates and the students from the institute whom I did not know and who appeared stranger to me. So we met up with them, we got to know what their lives, what they are doing, what their preferences are. And we also had wonderful food and time, and it was good experience for all of us. So thank you very much. And we look forward to the Three Kings Cafe and Kitchen project very much.
Yeah, so the past a couple of days we had get-togethers, one in King's Cafe, one in Web Marketing Academy. The whole purpose was to socialize and get to meet more people from other batches, which I did, and I found out a few similar mindsets where my wavelength matched with a couple of people. So I had lots of fun there.